when we talk to consumers sometime about doing this, one of the things that one hears, and especially in a certain strata, is इंश्योरेंस ले ली, क्लेम नहीं देते हैं. क्लेम देने में बड़ी दिक्कत करते हैं. क्या करें इंश्योरेंस लेके? देखेंगे क्या होगा, भगवान की मर्जी है.
It's so good, Siddharth, you say so, because let me give some data. It's publicly available. You look at the combined ratio of the general insurance industry in India. It's close
ratios.
to combined is claim, expenses, and commission put together.
Okay,
it's close to 118%. For 100 rupees, that means industry is paying claims very, very well. But then why this disconnect? That's a separate thing. I'll take that on. But let me first put this together. Industry really pays claim very good. Second, if you look at the entire financial sector and pick up the grievance ratio, it's publicly published by all regulators. You will be amazed to know that the general insurance industry has the least grievance ratio amongst financial services all across. Yeah. So fundamentally, it pays claim well. It has very low grievances. But it is the issue of the friction, which comes when you submit a claim, where the concern starts coming in. And that is why, if you look at, I spoke about data, we were talking about transparency, putting platforms together, putting in friction-free. The experience for customer becomes better. Friction also is a reason, because when as a company you're paying claim, as industry rather, you have to be careful to not go to fraudsters, and it's within the contract. And the process is where the issue is, not about the payment of claims. Now, having said that, if this is the kind of impact it's having on society, and this is the level that it's going to, and the cost is insignificant, and this is the impact of 2% GDP growth to the country, I think significant steps have to be taken in this direction to ensure that we are
Tarun,
there.
would that apply more to the life sector, where this kind of complaint की claim नहीं दिया जाता जी, उसमें से कई सारी चीजों को कट कर लेते, इतना पैसा पहले ही ले लेते हैं, and this happens in auto and healthcare related expenses. Is that something that...
No, not really, Siddharth. I don't know where is this coming. जैसे हमारा खुद का क्लेम पेमेंट रेशियो इज 99.2%, मतलब 0.8% जहां पे डिक्लेरेशंस नहीं होगी, ठीक, दैट इज 100 में से मतलब एक भी नहीं छोड़ते हैं, मतलब इट्स समथिंग लाइक दैट नंबर. एंड प्रीटी मच आई थिंक आई शुड आल्सो कमेंट IRDA in the way they have been pushing that agenda. So अगर कोई issue था पुराना,
so is there a perception issue? Is there a issue that is still hindering greater penetration of all kinds of insurance in India, given the size of our population?
See, I think it's not about that. It's about एक perception जो आप है, that is about the friction that my colleague just talked about, कि कितना time लगा. So usme, if somebody jumped up and down, correctly so, and should, as a customer. But insurance is not typically a top of the mind, and that's kind of answered to you already. It's not a pleasurable product. It's not something you just top off your agenda. It is not something that sometimes benefits you directly. It benefits your family, So, unfortunately, we don't think like that.
Absolutely. And viewers, I didn't know about the data that Tapan just shared. 50% or thereabouts, and within that, two-wheelers. And look at the kind of accidents and deaths that happen. And Transport Minister, Road Minister Nitin Gadkari has, on possibly every occasion when he has appeared on our platforms, the India Today group, Business Today, spoken about the fact that this is a key issue. He speaks about road design and road safety. But imagine a scenario where half of all vehicles in India are not insured. So these are very, very scary numbers. Thanks for sharing that.